Stop looking at indicators and start looking at the clock. If you're trading Forex at 2 p.m. or midnight, you're fighting for scraps. The real money, the 90% win rate moves, happens in the London Killzone. Today I'm going to show you exactly how the eagle strikes during the most volatile hours of the day. Most of you have a 5K or 10K prop firm account, but you're blowing it because you're overtrading choppy markets. Professionals like Amanat have proven that if you master one specific window of time, you don't need to be at your desk all day. You just need to be there when the banks are. Let's jump into the charts. Look at GBPUSD here. Notice the consolidation before the London Open. That's the trap. We wait for the fake out. We identify the sweep of liquidity, and then we strike with the trend.